Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install MongoDB Compass on your Mac operating system. So now our MongoDB is running, but how you can connect to your MongoDB server using a client. So when you download MongoDB, it only comes with the MongoDB server. It doesn't come with MongoDB shell or MongoDB Compass, which is the graphical user interface utility. So once again, go to your favorite browser and search for MongoDB. Then click on the mongodb.com result. Then click on products here and then click on community edition. Here under tools, you will see Mongo Shell and MongoDB Compass. First of all, let's download the MongoDB Compass, which is a GUI application. So I'm going to select this. And then when I scroll down, I can see the version. Platform will be macOS ARM 64 M1 for me because I'm using Apple Silicon processor. If you're using Intel, choose the other version. And then the package will be DMG. Click on download, which is going to start the download of this DMG file. And once this DMG file is downloaded, let me click on this and it's going to start this MongoDB Compass installer. So the installation is simple. You need to drag and drop this MongoDB Compass into your applications folder. Select MongoDB Compass, press Command key and then drag and drop this icon on top of the applications folder, which is going to copy this MongoDB Compass in your applications. Once that's done, go to your launchpad and you will see MongoDB Compass here. Click on it and it's going to start the MongoDB Compass. Now keep in mind, I have this Mongo daemon running, so I haven't cancelled this command. So Mongo daemon is running in my case. Don't close this terminal, otherwise Mongo daemon will close, right? So you can see this Mongo daemon is still running. And then in the MongoDB Compass, this is the connection string to connect to your local host MongoDB server instance. So just leave it as default and then click on connect, which is going to connect to your MongoDB server instance. And you can see by default you have this admin config and local databases by default present in your MongoDB server. So now you are connected to your MongoDB server successfully using MongoDB Compass. You can also create a new database. Click on create database and then name your database, for example demo. You can also create a collection name, for example names, and then you can also choose if it's a time series database. I don't want this right now, and then click on create database and it's going to create this demo database with this collection which is called names. So everything is working fine. Now you can also use Mongo sh. You can see this option here and it's for Mongo sh, and you can use this command line tool to interact with your MongoDB server using the command utility. So I'm going to just say show DBs here, which is going to show me the list of all the databases. So when I press enter, it's going to show me the list of all the databases. The demo database I have created, so you can see it shows me the demo database. If I want to work with particular database, I can use use command. So use and then use demo. I want to use the demo database and then press enter. So I'm switched into the demo database. Then I can just say show collections and you can see it's auto complete, right? So when I press tab, it auto completes my command and it shows me the collection. So you can use this Mongo sh to use command line client with your MongoDB server. If you are a fan of GUI, just use this one. So after installing MongoDB Compass, you will not even need the Mongo shell utility separately because this Mongo sh interface is already there. But if you want to install Mongo shell separately without Compass, then you can go to Mongo shell under tools and then download this zip file and then use Mongo command to interact with your MongoDB servers. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.